What is an operating system? Operating system is the first software which starts working when you switch on your computer. As soon as you switch on your computer, your screen looks like this. And then a welcome message appears. Why does it happen? It happens because of operating system, right? What does operating system do? Operating system checks the functionality of your computer, which means that whether all the components of your computer are working properly or not. And what are the components of computer? As shown here, you can see monitor, you can see keyboard, you can see mouse. So it will check whether all the components of the computer are working properly, efficiently, yes or no. What is computer made up of? It is made up of hardware and software. Hardware means parts of computer that you can touch or feel. For example, you can touch your monitor screen, keyboard, mouse, UPS, speaker, pen drive, printer, CD, scanner, all these, right? So it includes input devices, processing unit, storage devices, output devices. These all are the examples of computer hardware. And what about software? Software means a set of programs that perform some task in a computer. What kind of task? For example, you have to write something in MS Word. So what will you do? You will install MS Office, right? If you want to edit your photographs, what will you do? You will install what? Adobe Photoshop. If you want to do, some programming and you want to know how does that programming commands look on the computer screen. So what do you have to do? You have to install KTurtle, right? So all these are example of what? Software. Okay. When you start your computer, the operating system software also starts with it. Operating system software की example क्या है? MS Windows or in figures Windows 10. Okay. How does an operating system help connecting computer hardware and computer software? Let us learn it. You will take input using what? Using a keyboard. For example, I have given you a form to fill in your name, your roll number, your class and section. You will fill it up. It means I have got input. That input will be given to CPU. CPU is called what? Central Processing Unit. So it is the processing unit which processes what? Input. After processing the input, that is, we have typed our name, roll number, section and class. That input is processed by CPU and output is given to what? To the monitor. So it is displayed over the monitor, that is on the desktop, the screen that you are working on. Okay. There are two types of operating systems. Number one, single user operating system, and the other one is multi-user operating system. Single user operating system means there will be one user and one computer system. Okay. The task that a user can do is they can do either one task or they can do many tasks. When a user does many tasks, it is known as what? Multitasking. It is called multitasking. And what are the examples of single user operating system? Its example is Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. These all are examples of single user operating system. And what about multi-user operating system? It allows many people to use the same computer at the same time or at different times. It means we have terminal 1, that is computer 1, computer 2, computer 3. These three computers are going to access what? Main server, and they are accessing the server at the same time. Okay, what does same time mean? Same time means that they share the processor time in microseconds. Okay, और उनका प्रोसेसिंग टाइम जो है इट इज़ माइक्रोसेकंड्स. माइक्रोसेकंड्स मीन्स वो हमें पता भी नहीं लगता, वो इतना कम टाइम के लिए हम सेंट्रल प्रोसेसर यानी कि सर्वर का टाइम यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, और इनकी एग्जांपल क्या है? यूनिक्स, लाइनेक्स, इसके लोगो ये हैं, और विंडोज सर्वर 2012. एंड वेयर आर दीज यूज्ड? These are used in big or large offices, big organizations. For example, hospital, railway station. Okay, in order to book a ticket in railway station, what do we have to do? We all go to IRCTC, right? यहाँ पे एक single server है, okay? That is called central processor as shown in the example or figure above. इसमें क्या होता है? multiple users, for example user number 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to n number of users, they can access the server of IRCTC, okay, in order to book their railway ticket. Okay, another example of multi-user operating system is when we go to a restaurant. Sometimes we are given tab, and there are 5 to 6 tabs that are placed in order to book order, right? So that there is no delay, and the order that is booked by clients, it is directly shown where? To the server at the reception, and receptionist may know that which table has booked which order and what is the sequence number and how many orders are there in the queue. ठीक है? So in this way, this is also an example of multi-user operating system. It means many users access one single computer at the same time. Same time में कैसे? Their processor time is being shared by all the users. Okay? What is Microsoft Windows? It is the most popular operating system. And when does Windows operating system is? What is Microsoft Windows? It is the most popular operating system, and it gets loaded into the computer memory automatically. When you switch on your computer. And how does this operating system looks when it is being loaded? This kind of image when you see on your computer screen as soon as you switch on your computer, then it shows that you are starting Windows. Okay, and after a few seconds, what will happen? You will get a welcome message like this. This is how your Windows starts working. This is how your computer starts. When you turn on your computer, the first thing that appears on your screen is known as what? Desktop. And how does it look? It looks like this. It has an image with some icons. And what is an icon? Icon may represent a file, a folder or a program. Program क्या होता है? this is also a software. And when you double click on these icons, you will be able to open them. Okay, for example, a file. Which is this file? This is Microsoft Word, MS Word. What is this? This is a folder. Folder contains similar or different kind of files. Okay, a group of files, when placed together at a location, they are named as folder. Okay, and what is a program? This is a program or a software. Do you see this shortcut button? Okay, it means when you double click on it, will automatically open the application, that is MS Word document that you were using. Okay, so ABC figures, what do they show? A word file. Title क्या है उसका? Magic Bolt. And a folder whose title is images and Word 2013 program. Okay.